Hello guys, so I was working on some project and I was trying to import some library. So when I write this code and I run this code, I was getting an error that there is not any module named Keras. So have you ever faced this kind of error? It means that your system environment is not containing Keras library, right? So we first need to install it. So I'm going to show you how can you install the Keras library, right? So just go to your command prompt, open it and type pip install Keras. Alright, and hit enter. It will take some time. After that, it will go install automatically and then you can use the Keras module. Let's wait for some time. It will get installed. It has been successfully installed, right, in our environment. As well as there is an update. It's showing that we have an update. If we want to upgrade that, we just need to type this one, right? Just copy it, paste it over here, hit enter, and after a few minutes it will get updated. See, it's downloading and it has been successfully. I installed the previous version and upgrading the new one. Yeah, that's it. So what exactly happened? When we run this code for upgradation, it downloaded the new version, it installed the old version and then installed the new one, right? So this is how now we can use the Keras library in our environment. Alright, see you in next another video. Bye.